more down to it.
We got 6.
All right, we're
Your
measuring
ass.
now. Close, mighty close. We're measuring.
Gotta go along with me, my partner.
You got the rookie in the background there. Look at him.
Rookie in the background. There's the rookie in the background. Whoa, nice throw. See another one here.
2-1 now.
Got so much action, it's hard to keep track.
Wide open.
Okay. Let's see, who's throwing next?
We gotta let him win.
All right, there's Kenny.
13-6. No.
All right. Kenny again. And the rookie over on court 2. Here he goes again. Second throw. Nice. Okay.
That was under the mat.
I know, under the mat.
Now we have Neil wearing the snowshoes for his team.
Go ringer now.
Let's see how he does. Okay. Neil throwing. Here we go. Very nice.
Close, Ken.
Alright. We got Duff over there on the second pit. Oh. Yeah.
Right on, man.
Dean!
Dean throwing. Dean throwing again.